This is the front of the VM motori. There's your crankshaft down here. This is underneath the timing cover. Here's that fuel pump that's driven off the timing belt. And then the tensioner would go here. And water pump is right here in this housing. That's the EGR cooler. Or no, this is the EGR cooler and that's the oil cooler, which are both cooled off of coolant lines, which some guys take them out because then you don't have all of these little lines that can pop. You can see like this one's deteriorating, getting ready to break. But all these little lines are so hard to get to because you've got the head and the rest of the intake on top of them. So you're replacing these, you're flying blind trying to get at these. I did this one, you can see is pretty new. And they actually had a preformed hose that made a tighter bend, and I just replaced it with a piece of fuel line because that's all I could find. You can see the other one that I didn't replace. It's just so tight to get in there. Obviously really easy when you got the motor on a stand. So that's the rear main seal down in there. And the other side of the engine with everything removed. Turbo would go right here. I have the old turbo, which is still good, I guess. And that's the top of the block right there.